In this video, I'm gonna show you how to insert SIM and microSD card on Samsung Galaxy A16. Take the SIM ejector, insert it right here like this. Here is the SIM tray. Here you can insert SIM 1 and here you can insert SIM 2 or microSD card. For example, currently I have a SIM only. Let's insert it here. As you can see, my SIM is inserted. Now, if you want to insert SIM in the SIM 2, then place your SIM like this. As you can see, my SIM 2 is inserted. I will simply put out and insert this SIM in the SIM 1. I have put my SIM in the SIM 1. If you have a microSD card, then put it right here. So now I will insert the SIM tray like this. Now let's go in settings, connection, SIM manager. Here you can see SIM 1 is showing. So this is how you can insert SIM and microSD card on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.